What's good, YouTube? We're back at it again with this specific video. It's me adding an intake in my car, the 392. We finna have an intake right here, the K&N Sports Performance whatever intake. We finna have it in the car, but all I know is that intake is gonna be pushing the car. And y'all might think, damn, he does not know. This nigga probably does not know how to place an intake. We gonna find out. This one right here, the K&N. It's already opened it and everything. I wanted to see how big it was. I wanted something bigger, but hey. Camera closer. Get the camera closer. Right now we got 485 horsepower. Once we add this, pushing 500. I don't care. People gonna be like, oh my god, it's a Scat. It's only 500 horsepower. It's a boat. Fuck out of here, nigga. This is what you gotta do first. You gotta remove this engine oil thingy. The cap. You gotta remove it first. Place this on the side. And then we gotta take this off. Unplug this. Get the camera closer so they can see. And we gotta unplug this tube right here. And then remove this. And we gotta keep this right here. This is our sensor, our best friend. You gotta come up. You're not breaking. Oh wow. Yeah, my sensor. This is gonna be our sensor. You cannot lose that shit. And now I gotta unscrew this. I'm gonna skip the part of unscrewing it. I just thought about it. If I'm not recording, people might think I'm not the one doing this. So, should I record the whole entire step? I think I should. Gotta remove these clamps right here. It's very easy. It's so freaking switched, bro. The thing is, bring the camera behind so you can see from mine. And then boom, the intake is off. Now come look at the inside. That's what we've been using. This basic ass shit. This is the bullshit we've been using. I'll put this down and I'm gonna get the rest of the things out. Show them. We finally got the, you know, the parts that we're going to connect to the car. And the instructions. Yeah, man, I don't really be reading instructions. But this time I'm gonna read these ones. Just placing them and taking my car. Latching and stuff like that. So we did all these steps already. Yeah, it literally goes step by step. Showing on the paper. No time. Step by step. So much work. I'm like, shit, never come saying that. So right now I'm going to AutoZone because I'm missing a few tools. Yeah, I wasn't prepared, but hey, I'm finna grab a few tools at AutoZone and then we finna drive back. Yeah. We're finally back. We got the socket. Now time to place this one. We finally got the socket part on. I mean, the two part on this. This was the hardest part ever. Y'all gonna see in the video. Make sure this shit stays in there. But then this shit is so new that it's slipping. Slippery as fuck. What the fuck? Both of them are brand new tools. You dig? Damn, that shit is tight. Maybe take that. You know, if I leave it open like this, it's gonna make a supercharger. Yo. Get out. Wait. Let me make sure I'm not mistaken. Get this one. My fault. We skipped hella parts in this video because I was watching a YouTube video and I was actually adding the antique part of the video too. But hey, y'all come and look at the end result. I got everything clamped up. And y'all tell me in the comment section, the people that know about cars, y'all let me know if I did anything wrong. But I'm pretty sure I got everything right. This is sensor right here. Get the camera closer. This is sensor and this the other sensor. And we got the intake placed. And it's sitting well and everything. I'm about to turn on the car and Yeah, funny here. How it sounds. The rev. Hey, I successfully placed the intake in my car, and now I'm trying to go get a X pipe done in the car right now. I don't know what time it is. It is 5:53. Hopefully the shop is still open right now, so I can get the X pipe done in the car. I just saved myself $100 by placing it myself. They be scamming people, bro. Go place your intake by yourself. And y'all don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Relax, there's a car behind the camera, man. Hey, thank you. This nigga still mugging my camera. Why is he mugging the camera like that? What's wrong with him? Hey. Yeah, drop a like. Subscribe to my YouTube. And y'all finna hear a few pulls. I'm gonna have them record for a few pulls. Hey, let's go. Let's go, bud. Let's go, bud. Every tool. Crazy. This intake and it's over. I don't know if you can hear the difference about the pipe, but I hear the different sound in the pipe already, man. Switch the tires. After switching the tires, we came in the right road too, but this is the perfect road to do a pull. Oh, go. Traction first got the car trying to get an X-Pipe, this dude is always busy, bro. He's always busy with some cars. But hey, I'm gonna get his ass today, bro. Not for real. I'm gonna get my X-Pipe. I don't give a fuck. Bro, I'm so poor. Alright, let's hop out. So basically, we were trying to get the X-Pipe done, but I guess we got a factory X-Pipe in the Scat, and I just wanted y'all to hear that. That's not intake in the car. This shit, it is so nice in the car. I will do a hella crazy pull, but I'm in Euless. If you live in HEB, you know Euless. Police don't play. There's police is up and down, left and right in Euless. And we already got enough tickets, you know. But right now we finna go get the tire replaced. We finna change the tire to more bulk. The tires that are more bulky. Talking about the police. One just passed right there. Right there. But I'm finna go replace my tires with my old tires because I'ma slide better with the tires, with old tires. And I'm trying to do donuts tonight. Hopefully, we get the house.